You forgot where your carrots are? Well, Taylor Patton, let's go take a journey over here. Walk over here. I think it's right over there near the flowers. Trying to find the carrots. Let's get down low before the mosquitoes come. Come down here. Hey guys, this is me and Taylor. Tell them hi, Taylor. Look at the camera. Tell them hi. She's looking at her flowers because I know she loves her flowers, but this is not Taylor's plot. Come down a little bit more, unless you want to have that plot. This is Granny have a lot of plots. But this is yours. Remember we were planting the carrots. Okay. Hey, I got new tools to do it with. You want to see my new tools? Yeah, we need to dig it up with my new tools. We'll be right back. Okay, we're going to have to unbox our new garden tools bought by Pawpaw. Thanks, Pawpaw. Shout out to Lowe's. Open it up, baby. Let's unbox our new garden tools so we can dig up the carrots. Wow. It's a lot. Wow. And the sun's really bright. It's about 80 degrees, so we probably won't stay out here too long. Let's see, can Granny help you open it? Grandma's hands. Grandma's hands clapped in church on Sunday morning. Grandma's hand played the tambourine so well. Grandma's hand used to issue out a warning. She said, Cheryl, don't you run so fast. You might fall on a piece of glass. Might fall and bust your grandma's hand. Anybody remember that? Grandma's hand used to ache sometimes and swell. I don't remember all the words, but I'm still trying to get this open, guys. You probably have to get your dad. Where's your dad?
Dad.
Can you open this, Malik? Because it's just a little bit. I don't have the stuff to open it. And I'm recording. And we're trying to get this carrot right here out of Taylor's plot. And we're going to put her name here. Right there. That's it. This is a flower. Don't mess with the flower. We're going to leave him alone. But this, you got to pull that up. You got to dig it up and see what is in there.
How did he open it so fast?
MP3, our hero. He had to open it up. Thanks, Malik.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to stop and hit that cash app.
Every time. Ooh, wait, let's see what we got. He opened it, thanks. And he's gone. I think you need this one or this one. That's when we're digging the hole really, really deep. Does that come off? We leave it on. Oh, yeah, that comes off. I think, pull. I think it's just something that we're supposed to, yeah, you can dig with. Let me put that back on because it can hurt you. Oh, Gardening with Granny. This is Taylor Patton and Bishop sharing with you our time in the garden. I love it. This is generational, and I used to garden. Oh, we just found a feather. Let's see it. Wow. Wow, some bird lost his feather. Okay. You can get the little spade or the big one, and they even have measurements if you want to see how far you're digging down. So we like that, the new tools, it has measurements. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to let you see it through the sun, but it has measurements on it. Yeah, there it is. Okay, let's get digging. So you dig on the sides around it. Let's put your hand around it. See, can you see yellow?
I'll use the little one.
Okay, I would too. And you kind of start digging around because you don't want to hurt them.
Jesus often used parables to teach his followers.
I Cherish Church Online. Bishop Share.